student. How are you all? Hope all of you are good. Student, if you are finding a correct examination for admission as well as scholarship in Vibrant Academy for the upcoming session of 2022-23, then this video is for you. Vibrant Academy is going to launch its upcoming and most awaited scholarship cum admission test for the session of 2022 and 23. So let's talk about the scholarship exams. We have two type of scholarship exams. First one is Vibrant Seat, which is a completely online admission test, and another one is VSET. It is an offline admission test. Vibrant Seat has already been started from 15th of October, and Vibrant VSET will be starting from 14th of November. Seat means scholarship cum early admission test, and VSET means Vibrant scholarship cum admission test. Major difference between these two exams are: in Seat, test mode will be online, and in VSET, test mode will be offline. Number of question is 50 in Seat and 100 in VSET. Test duration is 1 hour in Seat and 3 hours in VSET. Multiple choice type of question will be asked in both of the exams. Number of attempts is maximum 3 in Seat and 1 in VSET. Syllabus is mentioned here for both of the exams. Seat is already been started from 15th of October, and VSET will be started from 14th of November and followed by different dates which are mentioned in our website also. Registration source: if you want to register for any of the examination, you can register online for both of the exams. Scholarship is 20% maximum you can get in Seat, and up to 90% scholarship you can get in VSET. Registration fee for Seat is, for one-time exam it is 200 rupees, and for three-time exam the fees will be 500 rupees, and the fees for registration in VSET is 1000 rupees. Subject to be tested: these are the subject to be tested in these four of the class. In 9th class, science, maths and mental ability will be asked. 10th class, science, maths and mental ability. 11th class, science, physics, chemistry, and option between mathematics and biology with mental ability. 12th class, physics, chemistry, mathematics, and option between biology and maths and mental ability will be asked. Now, benefits of these exams are: you can avail maximum 90% scholarship in this exam, and advanced admission confirmation by partially paying the advanced tuition fee. That is the token money. You have to just pay token money for the admission. And admission for 2022 and 23 session with 10% reduced fee. You have a chance to pay 10% reduced fee for the admission and enhance the resume for the future. This exam, if you are topper in this exam, then this exam will enhance your resume for future. And early lead due to studying in starting batch. You can get early lead by studying in starting batches. For more information, you can contact the given numbers, and thank you.